Okay guys, so welcome back again to Plenty Money Online YouTube channel, and in today's video I want us to tackle a very critical bottleneck for some people, especially when you're trying to create a new product on Amazon Seller Central. Okay, so I don't know how many of you know that for some sellers it's difficult for them to kind of provide their product IDs for the product that they want to list on Amazon, especially when you're trying to create a new addition, like when you're trying to add a product that is not already existing on the Amazon inventory. So for example, I got a product that I would want to add on Amazon, and I'm going to show you that product right now. So this is the product I want to add on Amazon. I want to list this product on my storefront. Okay, so this product does not have a product ID, and all I just want to do is to create the product addition without using the product ID, right? So I'll just clean this up, and I'll just try to say I don't have a product ID, and I don't want to continue. But what it says when I try to do that the other time, as you can see, a lot of issues are already on the other different tabs. But what it says when I try to add a product ID is that you can't add a product ID, like you need to apply for GTIN exemption. This is what the system returned. So I just show you the few ways I tackled that issue. So what I did was I basically went to the seller application dashboard, and I went here to type GTIN exemption. As you can see, it's on the top list of one of the popular queries that people are searching for. So if you come down here, you can see a lot of different articles and all of that. So you can see here it says I'll just take you down to where it says apply for GTIN exemption. Okay, so here is where you can actually click on, and then it's gonna bring you to a page where you can then apply. This is the page, by the way. I don't know, it's taking us to a new video, but I'll just go straight to show you that page. Yes, so this is the page where you can actually apply for the exemption. It is sellercentral.amazon.com/GTINX/browser. So I'm going to leave this link in the description below so that you can actually use this link to find the GTIN exemption tab or page on the Amazon Central dashboard. So if you get to this page, you're going to want to see that it says apply for GTIN exemption. You need to share the barcode, blah blah blah, that you want to sell on Amazon. If those product does not have a barcode, apply for exemption below. So this is exactly what I then did. I just came here, wrote generic on all of the brand names of the product, and then I selected a category here. You can easily select a category here, and you can add as many category as many brand as possible. You can see, you can click, you can add as many categories as possible. So what I did was I added I chose beauty, I chose fashion, and I also chose electronics. I chose electronic gadget. Where is it? Yes, I chose this. Then I checked for eligibility. So after clicking on check for eligibility, then it brought me to this page. You can see this page, apply for GTIN exemption. This was the page where it then got me to. And if you look into this page, you're going to have to realize that I have been approved. You see, beauty has been approved, beauty generic, beauty, fashion, electronics. So all these categories have been approved. And then what happens is, in the future, when I try to add new product into this or into any of these categories without a product ID, then what happens is the prompt that I got in the initial phase, which says I need to apply for exemption, will no longer be there, just as you are seeing here. So some of you must have come across this challenge, trust me. When I clicked on this, I don't have a product ID before. It then gave me another option here, brought up another option here saying that I cannot just, go straight ahead to use this feature, that I have to apply. I have to check for eligibility and apply for the exemption. So it's only after the exemption has been approved that you will no longer see that prompt here. And then if you come back to this page, you come to realize that it says that note that exemption is provided for brand and category. You will be able to add as many of your product on Amazon without applying for exemption again for that category or brand. So once you have done it once, you will not need to do it again. So anytime I am trying to add a new product, which brand is generic, probably because the brand has not been included on Amazon before, then what happens is, and it falls under any of these categories, then what happens is I can easily just say I don't have a product ID, and I will be allowed to add the product or to list the product on Amazon straight up. So this is just a very quick video. And then it says here, if you already have applied for the exemption for this brand, okay, and category, you do not have to apply for exemption again. So I can check status for the past GTIN exemption request. Then I can click here to continue to submit approve. You get it? So here you will need to submit the product name. You will need to submit another product name, and that's it. So, and then after that, then you have to click on submit request, and then boom, that will be all. So very, very simple and straightforward. But the truth remains that with this video, you can save a lot of time going through the challenges or back and forth movement of trying to fix this issue. But here is it. This video is trying to solve that problem for you. So if this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and then see you on my next video. Goodbye.